Hey everyone, this is my Hunter Vista ceiling fan. It's from January 1998. And unfortunately I lost these screws for this, so I cannot hang it, so I'm just doing this. And yes, I only have this fan up just to test it and do a video of it, and I'm gonna take it down. But, as you can tell, this is just like it broke off the socket, but the light does still work. I had to fuss mount it because I don't know what happened to the down rod either. And we'll start it on low. It still works perfectly though. And I'm definitely going to restore it someday. Like I said, it's just up here for a video and I'm taking it down because I don't trust it. How's it? Oh yeah, and I'm with SRZ. There's low. It goes quite slow. It's not a very fast fan, but it does blow a good amount of air. Especially for what it is. There's medium. And yeah, I still have the globe for it. It's right there. And there's medium. Still goes like the same speed it did in my room. And it still blows air. Quite a bit of air. It's just not very fast. And we'll go to high. There we go. There's high. Kicks up a little on high. It's not very fast, but it does the job. It blows an excellent amount of air. Even flush mounted like this. There's the light. And go ahead and turn it off. Thank you for watching. Bye. And there's the pinwheel. Oops, I think someone crapped themselves.